How to fix Facebook login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we are going to be discussing some of the ways on how we can fix if we're having the login error on Facebook on our Android. So make sure to watch this video till the end. There are three main reasons why you might not be able to log into your account. One is a server or your application issue. The other is your account issue. The third is your credentials issue. So to get with the prior issue as to our application or the server status, you have to first check whether or not Facebook servers are actually down, because if the Facebook servers are down, you most likely need to wait for an update from Facebook in order to fix it, and there's really nothing that you can do about it. Other than that, what you want to do is just from your home page, you want to long press on the Facebook app icon over here. You'll find all these options where you have to tap on the I button that you see. As you tap on the I button, come to this app information page, and then you want to go to storage, clear the cache files, if possible also clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, the second reason why this happens is due to your account issue. Maybe your account got banned and restricted for some type of reason, and Facebook has been banning and blocking your IP address from logging into that significant account. In that case, what you can do is just try to switch your network first of all. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, or you can actually try to log in from your browser, which is of course facebook.com as well. The last reason why this happens is if your account is actually incorrect. So for example, if your email address or your phone number or maybe your password is actually incorrect, due to incorrect credentials, you might not be able to log into your account. So if you forgot your password, then what you can do is just tap on the option called forgotten password. You have to enter the email address and a phone number to reset your password, because if you show that your Facebook or password and everything is incorrect, you will not be able to log into your account. After you reset your password, you will most likely be able to do so. So these were the ways on how you can hopefully fix if you face the Facebook login error on your Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.